Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable nightlight mode on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and select or search for settings, and you want to open that up. On the left panel, you want to select device, and then on the right side underneath device, select display. And then scrolling down versus nightlight, make it easier to look at your screen or read in dim light. Go ahead and toggle that's the right to enable that, and then you can adjust the color temperature to left or right depending on your preference right here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.